All right, let's get real for a second. I don't have a time machine, and sadly, I can't hand you the fountain of youth. But I do have something almost as good. 5 foods that have helped me feel younger, sharper, and more energized every single day. Get ready, because I genuinely believe these simple choices can make a massive difference to how you age. First up, blueberries. I call these little gems nature's anti-aging pills. Why? They're packed with antioxidants. Those are the good guys, fighting off the stress and damage that makes our bodies feel old. I toss them in my porridge, blend them in smoothies, or just grab a handful straight out of the fridge. Coming in at number 2, avocado. Smooth, creamy, and honestly, I could eat them every day. They're loaded with healthy fats that keep your skin glowing and your heart ticking along nicely. Plus, the vitamin E in avocados? It's like moisturizer from the inside out. I slice them onto toast, salads, even whack half an avocado into my post-gym shake. Third on my list, spinach. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but hear me out. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins, A, C, K, and lutein, which is brilliant for your eyes. I sneak it into omelets, stir it into curries, or just pile it high on my plate with a drizzle of olive oil. Every time I eat spinach, I feel like Popeye. Stronger, more alert, ready for anything. Number 4 might surprise you. Walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are actually fantastic for your brain. They've got omega-3 fatty acids that help your mind stay sharp and focused, no matter how many candles are on your birthday cake. I keep a little stash in my bag so I can snack smart wherever I am. And finally, number 5, Greek yogurt. It's creamy, satisfying, and full of probiotics that keep your gut healthy. Remember, gut health is linked to everything: immunity, mood, even how well you sleep. I add honey and a sprinkle of nuts for a quick breakfast or dessert that feels like a treat. Look, I'm not saying you'll wake up tomorrow with the skin of a 20-year-old, but trust me, the small changes add up. Eat these 5 foods often, move your body, stay curious. Aging really can be just a number. Give it a go, and let me know how young you feel. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time.